Now, welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, for most schools, today would have been a grand celebration following another season of schoolboy football success, but not for Clarendon College, who retained their Issa da Costa Cup title after a 3-0 win over Dintil Technical on Saturday.
Another season and another trophy to the already laden Clarendon College cabinet. There wasn't the usual celebration. This was a muted one, as the journey for this season is yet to be completed. A season that already had its setback with defeat to Kingston College in the Champions Cup.
It's a title that we wanted to win, but how to get them back on their feet, I think the players did great in that. They kept meetings and they talk. You have to get back into their mind mentally to get them refocused for this one. But I think they handled it well and shift the focus to the Da Costa Cup, which you see what we did, and we still have a next one to go. That's why we didn't in a much celebratory mood right now.
It's their second consecutive hold on the crown, and coach Lenny Hyde revealed that this is a tougher season.
We didn't have the makeup of some stars like last year, the Lamar Walker, the Nicky Daly, national representative. This year we don't have a national representative, but we came through, and I prepared the team without those players in mind. But we needed them, and we missed them. But my thing is we program who we have and prepare them for the task at hand. We have talented players down here.
There's nothing sweeter than victory, though, and the principal David Wilson says that fulfilled the mission of the school.
Winning must be a habit. It can't just be a one-off thing. And I'm happy that the students have been taking heed to work hard to gain the rewards.
Clarendon College are also the Olivier Shield title holders after beating Kingston College 1-0 last year. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.